What's good, YouTube? Mr. Cashflow back today with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make $100,000 with your CPN. So the first thing you need to know is what a CPN is. A CPN number is a credit privacy number. It is not a profile. So you're not going out here using other people's names, information to create CPNs and go and apply for credit cards. That's not what we're doing. So what you're going to do is make a CPN in your name, a business name, an EIN, or something along those measures. And then you're going to build up your personal credit profile. So the first thing you want to do is make your name, email, all that information, put that on a separate doc. Then you want to create your CPN number. So you create your CPN number by going to this site right here. So you go to the Steve Morse website and you follow the script. If you need help with decoding your CPN number, then you can get our Untold Secrets Exposed ebook, which is only $44 right now. So you can learn how to build your own CPNs. Once you decode your CPN number, you create your CPN number, then you're gonna make sure that all that information is entered into public records. So public records is pretty much like, let's say you went to Macy's or you went to some website. You go on there and you create you an account, right? You create an account and then they're gonna start sending you emails. The emails are what's considered public records. So, well, essentially the public records is your record, your public information being submitted to some type of database. So once you submit your information to all these websites like Flight Airlines, Food Rewards, pretty much any website that you can create an account with, they'll start sending you emails. That's a public record. They'll send that information to places like CoreLogic, LexisNexis, SageStream, and then those companies start sending the information to the credit bureaus, and that's how you create a credit profile. So all you have to do is essentially just start applying for credit cards, and then you'll create a credit profile based on the information that you applied or you gave them. Well, let me charge my laptop real quick. Once you create your CPN number, you get it into public records. The next thing you want to do is add trade lines. So trade lines are what boosts your credit score. This is a place to go. So Coach Trade Lines will add authorized user trade lines to your credit report. They are kind of more on the expensive side. If you want private authorized user trade lines, you can go to the link in my bio and get access to the vendor, which is only $150, and they have trade lines for like $150, $100, sometimes $50 for a trade line. Once you go get your trade lines, then you can go start applying for those starter credit cards. Most people do not do this right. Most people get their number. As soon as they get public records, they try to apply for a credit card, and then they're wondering why they asking for verification, and they wondering why they asking for all this information, bro. You trying to get a credit card, you haven't even proven to the bank, not one lick, not 1 ounce that you can pay back a credit card. So the way you stop that is by adding authorized user trade lines, add like 1 or 2. Now the things that you can make money on is 1, right? This is the first thing. Go to this place right here. You go look up places in your city. So you go to your city and you look up places. People charge $1,500, between $750 to $2,500 for apartment approvals. And then another thing you could do is you can apply for people, and then you can charge on top. So whatever they pay monthly, you can charge on top of that if you want to. You could just charge them a flat standard $1,500 to $1,700. For apartments. I see people doing that all the time. They go on TikTok, they get people approved. They put, oh, new moving special, $750. That's how they get money. That's another way to do it. Another way is by getting credit. So once you get your credit built, you have a few trade lines on your credit report, you can go to places like this. You can go get approved for credit cards, but it's not as easy as you think, right? You have to actually build your credit profile out, build relationships with these banks, and you have to make sure that your profile is built correctly, your number structured correctly. You have to make sure all that is right before you go into these big banks and try to get high limit funding. But another thing you'd want to understand is that the difference between personal and business credit. So if you are wanting to get 100K, you're not doing that just off of a standard credit profile with 2 trade lines on it. What you want to do is structure your credit profile to have 8, 9, 10 trade lines on there, and then you use that to personal guarantee a business, so you get high limit business funding, right? That's the main thing you want to understand. You're going to get 100K off the business side, not personal. You get 100K off a personal credit profile, bro, that's amazing. but you're probably gonna max out on 100. So go build your personal credit, go get access to those funds, start using your credit to pay for your rent, your car payment, whatever, right? Learn how to make your payments back on time, keep building those payments. Then all that money is just going boom. Once 6 months go by, you got your shelf corporation with 2 years of trade line, 2 years of history. You have a backdated trade line on your credit report, and you have a backdated trade line on your business credit report. That's an easy 100K. Sometimes we get clients 250K, but not with CPNs. A lot of times people don't know how to act right. So that's a play that you're gonna run by yourself. If you want to do CPNs, high limit business funding, that's a play you're gonna have to run by yourself. I'm sorry, but a lot of people just don't know how to act. They get the money, they try to crash out. That's not what I ain't around for that. Especially when I have relationships with all these people. I put in a good word for you, I get you approved for 100,000, and then you go around and not pay nobody back. I'm not doing that. So that is a way that you can do it. I know people go through certain things. And another thing with credit, you're not going to jail for not paying a debt. The only thing you could ever get in trouble for with this is intentionally committing fraud. So if you try to steal somebody's identity, create a new profile in somebody else's name, have somebody's identity and using their information on your ID, that's illegal. That's what you don't do. So in order to not get jammed up and to do everything correctly, put it in your name, make sure that you're responsible with your credit, keep building your credit, get access to 100K, get 250, start a car rental business. That's another thing I did. I started a car rental business off my credit. I had about probably 10 cars at one time, at any given time. So that's another thing I do in my city. I rent out cars to people. So the thing that you must understand is credit. So it doesn't matter what you use, CPN, EIN, SSN, it's all the same thing. You just need to learn how to leverage money that people give you. If you don't know how to pay people back, you don't need to do anything. That's like you a weak trapper. Somebody front you something and you can't pay them back. That's not what you do. You get the money, you make money on top of the money, you pay people back. You keep on building your credit. You won't have to worry about no bills. Like bills is nothing, especially when you know about 1099s. You know that money not even real. They just created it and it's a facade. And there's actually ways to just discharge your credit without having to pay with your actual Federal Reserve notes. A lot of people don't know that because they don't even get past the first part because everybody's trying to scam. Instead of reading the law, reading how all this stuff works, they are giving you money. They're telling you how to do it. I'm telling you how to do it. So without further ado, I'm not going to be on here yapping forever. If you are serious and you want to learn, we do have a mentorship program. You can tap into it in the link in the description, or you can get access to it through our Telegram group. Without further ado, it's been Mr. Cashflow, and we out. One love.